Alright, step one, you're going to let all the air out of the tire. So, cut it if you're not going to keep the tire. Okay, step two, with the leverage of this, you're there. Set that right there, and you're going to take the tire off. You do it on both sides, and then flip it over and do it on both sides. Okay, as you see, we've done it on both sides and both ends of the tire. Alright, next you're going to mount the tire on here. This goes in one of the holes. This thing goes over. This thing goes on. Tighten it up. When it gets tight, just to tighten it, use the leverage of this to tighten it up. Next you got to push down on the tire. Usually use your knee to get it down. And you have to get it in under that lip, that first lip. And then use this thing to pop it over. Pop it over. Pop it over like that. And then just go around in a circle. Go around in a circle and you'll have it. Okay, now the tire is halfway off. Now you're going to stick it in here and get the other edge off. Go under. Make sure this tire is up enough. Just like so, and then you move it around and the tire comes off. So I actually had to use a screwdriver to wedge it up, and then I twisted it around and it's coming off now. Completely off. There we go.
Try it out.
First mount the rim, next get some soapy water, put it around, and then just push it out down onto the side of the rim.
You can. I usually just pry them over. Use it this way, but it's just not working on this tire.
I just fudge it down. You about got it now. You just kicked it down.